Hi everybody and welcome to Momda's Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share a little haul with you and I'm going to create a winter kitchen vignette using some of the items from what I purchased recently. I love to do a lot of DIY. I love to take ordinary items and turn them into beautiful and useful things. I love doing decor. I love doing recipes, travel, everything related to home in a budget. And if you love such content, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. I'm a very conscious shopper and I don't really go out and splurge on things just because I like them. I buy things when I think I want them, I need them. And recently I just went out and bought a few things related to kitchen because I wanted to have them. They are cute little things but very useful items, and I thought they would make life much more easier, simpler, better. So I got a few items. Well, that's just a justification, I know, but they are very useful items and cute ones, and I would like to share them with you. And using some of these items, because they just happen to be very much color coordinated, I decided to create my vignette. So I'm going to create a winter kitchen vignette, and this video is going to be part of the challenge being hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. This is a seasonal challenge hosted by her, and I'm going to be participating in the winter edition this time. So let's see what I got this time. First, I want to share these molds that I had already with me. I bought them a few years back. These are silicone molds for making cupcakes, and they are in this lovely bright blue and green colors. Next, I want to share this set of 3 bowls in colors which are so pretty, cool, calm, Moroccan style design, I would say, or tile-like design. These are beautiful designs. I love the colors, and these are again from my stash. I just brought them out because they go very well with the colors of the new items that I bought recently. Here is my new purchase, a measuring set of cups as well as spoons, and I wanted them since a long time. I love the color. Next I want to share is this set of tongs in 3 successive sizes. These are multi-purpose tongs, can be used for cooking as well as for serving. Now here is something very interesting. I did not plan on buying, but I got this. This is a set of for icing. It has got a syringe like plunger and a syringe, and it has got a number of nozzles which has different designs, and I've already used it because I decorated my New Year party cake with this, and it's very cute, interesting, and I'm gonna excited to try all of the nozzles and learn more of icing. Now this is a multi-purpose knife sharpener, and my husband was thrilled to find it, and he got it, and there's no packaging because he had already unwrapped and taken it out and used it once, and this is a knife sharpener. And then I got a serving ladle. I wanted a heavy one for serving something like gravy or dal, that is pulses, and I wanted something like a net for frying items. This is a lovely net kind of frying spoon because the net helps in dripping off the excess oil very well. Another thing I was planning on buying for a long time is the silicone mold, which I can use in the microwave for making my cakes or for making pies. I want to start making pies as well. This is a silicone mold in circular shape, fits very well in my oven, and this is very easy because you can unmold your cakes very easily out of it. You can wash it, and it's microwave safe, food safe. And my old microwave set was getting a little old and chippy, so I had to replace it. These are the items that I wanted to have since a long time. I managed without them, but with them I think it's going to be much more easier. There were 2 more items, another serving dish and a platter for snacks, which I think I have already kept it away, so I'll bring them out in one of the coming videos when I share how to set up a buffet. Having cleaned my kitchen corner, I placed my Bon Appetit false cheese board DIYed by me, or a landscape mode, and then to add a contrast I added my white chopping board right in front of it. Denise wanted us to add a recipe to the vignette, and I found this little recipe booklet of condensed milk and I clipped it onto my cheese board. I added some chocolates wrapped in green and white metallic foils into my birdie jar next to my utensil holder. This utensil holder is another DIY of mine you have seen many times in my kitchen vignette because it's a very utility item. I love my DIYed false gingerbread house made out of cardboard with the light coming from inside and the florals in its backyard. It continues to stay in my kitchen vignette. So here is my final winter kitchen vignette ready. My false cheese board right at the back with the white cutting board in front to give the contrast. I have my recipe booklet clipped onto my cheese board. In front on a Lazy Susan, I have added some daily use glasses, my latest favorite, the measuring cup and spoon set, and the beautiful bowls in lovely prints, and the silicone cupcake molds here. Here's some daily use spoons and forks in my utensil holder, DIYed by me, and some chocolates, we love chocolates always, in a birdie jar. And on this side is my DIY vase, and with wheat shafts. I love them always and have them the year round. I just added a color coordinated ribbon to it just to add that color and the lovely beautiful look to this space. As I said, I could not let go of my gingerbread house, and the glow coming out of it is so heartwarming. And this is how my winter kitchen vignette has turned out, with this beautiful color coordinated pieces in whites, wood color and blues. I hope you enjoyed my little haul and how I created my winter kitchen vignette with items that I use regularly, with items that are purely for decorative purpose but don't take much space, and some of my DIYs. Thank you so much everybody for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope if you like the content of my channel, you would subscribe to my channel and we'll grow up together. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.